there are massive protests in United States of America, and this is something unprecedented because this is a very fresh and very recent administration, and in such a less span of time, this administration has actually invited so many people on the streets. This is really unprecedented in democracies, because democracies basically work by consensus, and it was a very recent consensus that people across the board, across the United States, across the various groups of United States of America, they voted for Mr. Trump to be president, and they voted for a change, but they didn't voted for something radical which is happening in United States of America. US is not only just tarnishing its relationship with its allies, but it is also making, actually you can say, life very much unpredictable for its own citizens, and nobody likes unpredictability. And there are also reports that most of the people, or large number of people who are in protest from across the United States of America, they do not belong to any particular political party. So if this is the thing, then such protests are difficult to control or difficult to stop, because then with whom you will have conversation, because if there is a political party or a political group or a well-established group, you can have a dialogue with the leadership. But in such in such protests where people are coming randomly, you don't have that luxury. So I think because of the radical things the Trump administration is doing, because of the sudden things they are doing, the knee-jerk reactions and the uncertainties, and whatever is happening with US economy, trillions of dollars of loss because of this idiotic tariff war, I think these things are going on, and Mr. Trump has to think deeply what he has done.